In front of me is ASUS ZENFONE 10, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads in one place. First of all, open Play Store and download free app called Files by Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then select Continue at the bottom. Click on Allow and tap on the switcher next to allow access to manage all files. Finally, you can select Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on, and hit Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!